I'm Mark Batson with Landmark Sotheby's International Realty, and we're in the beautiful Curie Beach, North Carolina. Behind me is a beautiful estate property known as the Sandcastle, comprised of a main house and guest house. Come along with me as we do a walking tour. When you come in the front door of this home, which empties out on the second level, this is where the main living areas are. Living room is accompanied by a linear fireplace, and then all of the public spaces have a beautiful ocean view. Again, directly adjacent to the living room is the kitchen. We've got an aircraft carrier size island. And inside of this home, you'll notice a lot of nods to nautical elements like teak and holly look, or ship's lamps, curves, planking, beams, booth seating for dining, and then easy access to your outdoor entertaining spaces. Off the entry and behind the kitchen is a hallway that gives you access to a powder room and a really cool pantry with a big chill fridge. Also connected really well with the kitchen is your laundry room space. Okay, leading off the living room is a small vestibule that opens into the master suite, which includes master bedroom area, linear fireplace, big double doors that enter into the master bathroom, with a shower that actually has a beautiful ocean view. If you're standing there taking a shower, it's a direct shot of the ocean. And then through here is a large closet for him and her. Whenever you walk into the master, you're immediately hit with a big ocean view and an ample size sitting area for two. Coming up from the ground floor, first floor, now we're on the second floor. This is where the secondary bedrooms are, which include two flanking rooms on the south with a Jack and Jill bathroom, and then on the north we have a VIP size suite with ensuite bathroom, full walk-in closet. Off of this lounge area for the guests include entertaining, also powder room, and then spiral stair access to our top floor deck. The upper Widow's Walk has great seating areas on either side, and then the views are amazing. And you ask yourself, how many times would you come up here? Even if you only came up here once, it's worth it. Ground floor of main house, we've got a 2-car garage here, sauna, and then walkway to our theater room. The same hallway down the stairs empties out onto our pool deck, and then we have flanking bedroom and then bunk room. Teeing off from that same hallway, we have a full bathroom, a secondary laundry room, and then the entrance to the theater. Stepping out of the main living and kitchen area, you're on the first deck, which we call these entertaining zones if we were on a yacht. You got a living area, the fire pit, and then opposite of that, you have the first summer kitchen and al fresco dining. 10-foot wide set of stairs that lead you down to the main pool deck area. It's directly adjacent to the ocean, includes several entertaining zones, including a fire pit area, second summer kitchen with a pizza oven, swimming pool, and then connection to your guest accommodation. Guest house and main house are connected by this ground level Ipe deck. The first entertaining zone in the guest house includes this enclosed entertaining area for ping pong, foosball, television, for hanging out. All right, when you enter the guest house, you have a set of stairs that goes up to all the different floor levels. And so the kitchen area is divided by a butler's pantry, and then our main kitchen space, which is divided by a 4-foot walkway, and then the ceiling goes up to a linear ridge skylight, which drops natural light into an already beautiful space overlooking the ocean. Main floor room off the living, ocean view. Upper floor, bedroom number 2. Hallway, flanking bedroom, bathroom, and then my favorite room on the whole oceanfront estate is this one, simply because you're on top of the ocean right here. Thank you for taking this waterfront tour with me today. Again, I'm Mark Batson with Landmark Sotheby's International Realty. We're in Curie Beach, North Carolina. Come see this special place known as the Sandcastle.